Hey guys, welcome back to Cook You Bastards, helping newbies kick ass in the kitchen and beyond, because today we're going outside to the Weber kettle. You know, I've been inspired by all these amazing barbecue chefs I see here on YouTube. Guys like CJ and Scott and Kent and Chris and all these dudes. And I said to myself, this summer you got to get a little bit better at barbecuing. So a couple of weeks ago, with no real game plan, I spatchcocked the chicken, filled up my new smoker tube, and went outside to try to make the magic happen. Screwed it up completely. I didn't even get the charcoal lit for about 45 minutes. My temperature was like 425 degrees. You know, it was just a comedy of errors. Thing is, it turned out great. It was one of the best chickens I've ever made. So I thought I would try to see if I could do that again today, because anyone can do something once, but can you repeat? Cleverly, I took no notes, so I don't know what I'm doing again, but here we go. First, I'm going to fill up my chimney here with lump charcoal, not briquettes. See those bare feet? I roll caveman style. This right here was my first mistake last time. I was using the tail end of a bag and it was all small chips, so it packed the chimney and blocked all the airflow. This time, I have a new bag and big chunks. Last time I used newspaper like you're supposed to, but this time I'm using fire starters. I don't know, this could be a reverse mistake because I'm not doing what I did last time, but seems like it's working. Here's my tube smoker. I got this for Christmas and it came with directions that said something about using a blowtorch to light it, but I don't know, I threw them away. So last time I filled it up with hickory pellets and then I forgot that it's open at one end, so I dumped most of them on the fire. I'm going to preempt that this time. Alright, I got my whole free-range chicken. I usually like to get these from the farm down the road, but they sell them frozen. I don't want to wait to thaw it today, so this is the same kind of chicken I used last time. I'm spatchcocking it. That just means you're cutting out the backbone or you're butterflying it. Kitchen shears work great for this, so does your chef's knife. I'm not brining it or anything like that, just throwing on some salt and pepper and then take it on the grill. Alright, coals are ready, putting them on one side of the grill, so I'm making two zones. Getting kind of fancy. So I'm going to take a few minutes to get the grill nice and hot, and I'm going to get the pellets smoldering by jamming them in the coals there. Yeah, who needs a blowtorch? I'm putting a drip pan down there below the chicken. Yeah, I know it's too small, but I bought a whole bunch of these one time for another grill I had, and I'm damn sure going to use them. Now, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm using some cheats, which totally turned my game around last time. First of all, I marked the bottom damper on my grill because it turns out, and I never knew this before, but the markings that are on the damper are just to fuck with your head and they don't really correspond to real life. So you got to look inside the grill, see the position the damper's in, and then mark it with a Sharpie. I got this idea from either a YouTuber or a blogger, I forget which, but thanks a lot, buddy. I'm also using a thermometer. Another thing I got as a present a couple of years ago and have never really figured out. But I got one probe in the grill. I'm going to put another one in the meat. So today my target temperature in the grill is between 325 and about 400. Nice wide range. Even an idiot like me can color between those lines. I'm going to sit my tube on the grill. I know that's probably not the way you're supposed to do it, but what the hell, it worked for me last time. Put the chicken on the other side and then boom, I'm not even going to look at it until the thermometer tells me so. And hey, not only am I cheating with the thermometer on the grill, it even has this little remote so I can wander off and waste even more time doing something else. Game on. Not bad on the target temps, if I do say so myself. Alright guys, big reveal. It says 165. It's been cooking about an hour and a half. And this is one we're going to see. Oh, baby. Alright guys, this is nuts. It smells like bacon. Tastes, you know, like chicken, but like the best chicken you've ever had. So, cheers. It's brown, it's crispy, it tastes amazing, like woody and meaty. It's got juice practically pouring out of it. Yep, I'm calling this one a repeat. Thanks for watching, guys. This one's really easy. You know, break out your grill, go for it, and stay tuned for more. Cheers.